Tsunami warning issued July 29th at 2:43 p.m. Hawaiian Daylight Time by the National Weather Service Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. A tsunami warning has been issued for the state of Hawaii effective at 2:43 p.m. An earthquake with a magnitude of 8.7 has occurred 315 miles southwest of the east coast of Kamchatka, Russia. A tsunami has been generated that could cause damage along coastlines along all islands in the state of Hawaii. Urgent action should be taken to protect lives and property. A tsunami is a series of long ocean waves. Each individual wave crest can last 5 to 15 minutes or more and extensively flood coastal areas. The danger can continue many hours after the initial wave as subsequent waves arrive. Tsunami wave heights cannot be predicted, and the first wave may not be the largest. Tsunami waves efficiently wrap around islands. All shores are at risk no matter which direction they face. The trough of the tsunami wave may temporarily expose the sea floor, but the area will quickly flood again. Extremely strong and unusual nearshore currents can accompany a tsunami. Debris picked up by a tsunami amplifies its destructive power. Simultaneous high tides or high surf can significantly increase the tsunami hazard. Estimated arrival time in Hawaii for the first tsunami wave is 7:07 p.m. Hawaiian Daylight Time. Further messages will be issued hourly or sooner as conditions warrant until the threat to Hawaii has passed.